I'm Julia from ACT Fire and Rescue. I'd like to share some advice so you know what to do when your smoke alarm activates. If it's safe to do so, try and identify what has caused your alarm to sound. Remember, if you have interconnected alarms, smoke could be detected at another location. If there is a fire, now is the time to evacuate. Make sure you alert everybody in the home. As soon as you can, call 000 to notify ACT Fire and Rescue. It's important to investigate every time your alarm triggers. Remember, only working smoke alarms save lives.